Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Weekend Woodworking. What I wanted to do today is show you a simple project that you can do with just some of the basic tools and basic materials. You can use scrap woods and whatnot that you've got left to really be creative with your piece. For today's project, all I'm going to be using is I've got a square here to make sure that our edges are going to be in a 90-degree angle. I've got a piece of walnut left over from a project. I've also got a piece of maple that's left over, so we're going to be ripping that down for our project. Some clamps that I'll be using as well for our glue ups. A tape measure, of course, to measure everything. We've got our glue here. I've also got, and I don't, for this project here, I'm going to do probably the bulk of the sanding by hand using this little sanding block. Okay, I'm going to put a link to this little block in the description where I purchased it from. And then we're also going to be using this here, which is a tried and true linseed oil and beeswax combination finish for our project. All right, so let's get into it. Well, I hope you enjoyed that our little build video of making some of these really neat little coasters out of maple and walnut. There's not much to them, and then they were just finished beautifully, and you can see that little bit of a sheen that comes out in the maple wood grain because of our tried and true linseed oil and beeswax finish, which really nice. So in any case, if you could like my video, that would be great. And then maybe hit that subscribe button to our channel, and we will see you on the next video.